Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today we'll answer the question of if the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro has a slow motion feature or not. So the short answer is yes. Let's check how it works. Go to camera, go all the way to more, right here, and press slow-mo. Now I'll record a short video. Let's see how it works. Now recorded my video. Let's check how it looks. Go to the video and press play. Of course, it's slowed down. Works pretty well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. If you like, leave a comment and goodbye.